हो गया। हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, टुडे आई एम गोइंग टू टीच यू डिग्री ऑफ कंपैरिजन। आज के पहले मैंने आपको फ्रॉम पॉजिटिव टू कंपैरेटिव एंड कंपैरेटिव टू पॉजिटिव बदलने के लिए बताया था, बट टुडे आई एम गोइंग टू टीच यू हाउ टू चेंज फ्रॉम सुपरलेटिव टू कंपैरेटिव एंड पॉजिटिव। There are two types of sentences of superlative degree. First, the sentence in which not one of the is used. Another, the sentences in which one of the is used before superlative degree adjective. So first of all, I am going to teach you how to change the superlative degree to comparative and positive for those sentences which have not one of the, such as Mahatma Gandhi was the greatest leader of India. In this sentence, not one of the is used, and in this sentence we see the adjective is in superlative degree. So this sentence belongs to superlative degree. Now the process how to change it into comparative degree. To change it into comparative degree, first of all, we write subject and verb. First, we write subject and verb. Second, change the superlative degree adjective into comparative and omit the. Then use than any other or than all other. Remember, after than all other, noun will be in plural number. After that, rest of the things of the sentence This way, you can change the superlative degree adjective into comparative degree. Now follow this rule. We first change this sentence into comparative degree. First we write subject and verb. So, Mahatma Gandhi was. After that, change the superlative degree adjective into comparative degree and omit the Mahatma Gandhi was greater. After that, than any other, the Mahatma Gandhi was greater than any other leader of India. If you have to use than all other, then you will have to use leaders in place of leader. Than all other के बाद जो नाउन होगा वह हमेशा प्लुरल नंबर में होगा, लेकिन than any other के बाद जो नाउन होगा वह सिंगुलर नंबर में ही होगा. So this way you can change superlative degree sentence into comparative degree. Now learn to change it into positive degree. To change it into positive degree, first of all we use no other. No other. After that, the words after superlative degree. With auxiliary verb. Then change the superlative degree adjective into positive degree between as or so as. Then write the subject. By following this rule, we can change this subject in this sentence into positive degree this way. First of all, we write no other. After that, the words after the superlative degree adjective. No other leader of India was. change the superlative degree adjective into positive degree and keep it between as or so. No other leader of India was as great as Mahatma Gandhi. Mahatma Gandhi. This way we can change superlative degree into positive degree. You can change different sentences of superlative degree into comparative degree and positive degree by following these rules. Now come to the other sentence in which one of the is used. Take the example of that type of sentence. What? Shakespeare was one of the greatest poet of Shakespeare was one of the greatest poet of English. To change it into comparative degree, we followed these steps. First of all, write subject and verb. Write subject and verb. Omit one of the and change superlative degree adjective into comparative degree. Then use then most other. Then use then most other. Then rest of the words of the sentence. By using these process or steps, you can easily change these type of superlative degree sentence into comparative degree. First of all, we write subject and verb. Comparative degree. Shakespeare was. Then omit one of the and change the superlative degree adjective into comparative degree. Shakespeare was greater. After that, we use than most other. Shakespeare was greater than most other. After that, rest of the things. Shakespeare was greater than most other poet of English. This way, you can change the superlative degree sentence into comparative degree. Now the process, how to change it into positive degree. Positive degree. To change it into positive degree, first of all, we write very few. Very few. After that, the words, or you can say object, the words after the superlative degree adjective. Very few poet of English was first of all we write very few. After that, very few. After that, rest of the words after superlative degree adjective. Very few poet of English was. Then change the superlative degree adjective into positive degree and keep it between as or so as. So very few poet of English was so great as after that the subject. So great as Shakespeare. This way we can change the sentences of superlative degree to comparative and positive. Now for your homework, change the sentences as directed. Yeah, you can say change the sentences into different degree as possible without changing the meaning. Delhi is the biggest city of India. Kalidas was the greatest poet of संस्कृत Malda is the sweetest mango in India. The Ramayana is the greatest epic of Hindu. Sita is the most beautiful girl in this class. Mohan is the richest man of this village. Patna is not as big as Kolkata. Gaya is hotter than Patna. You are not as intelligent as he, and you are better than I. You have to change these sentences into different degree from 1 to 6. You have to change it into comparative degree as well as positive degree. But from 7 to 10, the positive degree sentence will be changed into comparative degree, and comparative degree sentences will be changed into positive degree. That's all.